Morning students, will be studying module number 4, curve fitting. What is curve fitting? The process of finding the equations of the curve which best fits the given values and is more suitable for predicting the unknown values is known as curve fitting. As per the syllabus, we'll be studying curve fitting by least square method. Now, what is least square method? The method of finding a specific relation y is equals to f of x for the data to satisfy as accurately as possible, and such an equation is called the best fitting equation or the curve of best fit. The method is called as the method of least squares. As per the syllabus, we will study the curves of the form straight line, parabola, exponential curves, etc. So first we'll be studying by fitting of a straight line. The straight lines are of two forms. One is y is equals to a plus bx or y is equals to ax plus b. To start, we have to first write with the normal equations for the given curve. Consider y is equals to ax plus b. The normal equations for y is equals to ax plus b will be written as follows. Given a curve y is equals to x plus b, to write for the first normal equation, just take summation on both sides for the given curve. It becomes summation y equals to a into summation x plus n into b. Here, whenever there is a constant term, we must write it as n into b. That will become the first normal equation. To write for the second normal equation, just multiply equation 1 with x on both sides. We will get summation xy equals to a into summation x will become summation x square plus here nb is there, just change it as b into summation x. Remove this n. These are the two normal equations. There are two arbitrary constants a and b in the equation. Therefore, we have two normal equations. To proceed, as per the requirement, we require with summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. So, we need to prepare for the table. To prepare, we have to write the columns as x, y, x square and xy. X and y will be given in the data. We need to compute for x square and xy. Hence, taking the summations, substituting in the normal equations when n is the number of readings given, solving it on the calculator, we will get the values of a and b. Substituting the values of a and b in y is equals to ax plus b, we get a curve of best fit. Similarly, we can solve for a straight line y is equals to a plus bx. We write the normal equations as summation y equals to na. Here a is constant, so write na plus b into summation x. To write for the second normal equation, just multiply first equation with x. We will get summation xy is equals to a into summation x. Na will change to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. The table, whatever required values, the table will be same for both the concepts. So, you can consider the values of summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. We will get two normal equations in a and b. Solving it on the calculator and substituting a and b values in the curve y is equals to a plus bx, we get the required curve of best fit. This is about a straight line. Similarly, we will go through the parabola. Fitting of a parabola. The equation of the parabolas may be of the type y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c or y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square. We write for the normal equations for the parabolic equation. So consider y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. The normal equations are summation y equals to a into summation x square plus b into summation x plus nc. Here c is constant, so write nc. This is first normal equation. Second normal equation will be written by just multiplying the first equation by x on both sides. We will get summation xy is equals to a as it is, x square will become x cube, b as it is, x will become x square, and nc will become c into summation x. The third normal equation is summation x square y. Just multiply equation 2 by x on both sides. Here there is a correction done in the notes. I have written multiply equation 2 by x square. It is not x square, it is x. So just make a change over here and multiply equation 2 by x. So we'll get here summation x square y equals to a into summation x raised to 4. X cube will become x raised to 4. X square will become x cube and x will become x square. There are three arbitrary constants a, b, c. So we'll be having three normal equations. As per the table, we are required with summation y, summation x square, summation x, summation xy, summation x cube, summation x raised to 4 and summation x square y. So we'll prepare for the table now. X and y will be given. Preparing for x square, x cube, x raised to 4, xy and x square y. Taking the summation, substituting in the normal equations, we get normal equations in a, b and c. Solving it on the calculator, we will get a, b, c value. Substituting in this curve, we will get the curve of best fit. Similarly, for the equation, for the parabola y is equals to a plus bx plus cx square, we write for the normal equation. Table will be same. Substituting, solving on the calculator, we get a, b and c value. The change in both of the curves is whatever we have got a value over here will be c value in this form. Whatever c value we have got in this form will be your a value. That's only the change in both the curves. Same for the straight line. Next we'll go for exponential curve. Fitting of an exponential curve of the form. The curves are y is equals to a into e raised to bx, or y is equals to a into x raised to b, or y is equals to a into b raised to x. The first thing is we need to reduce the exponential curve in the form of a straight line. That is y is equals to a plus bx or y is equals to ax plus b. To reduce it, we have to take log on both sides. So consider y is equals to a into e raised to bx. Taking log on both sides. This becomes log y is equals to log of a into e raised to bx. Applying the property log a into b, that is log a plus log b. Here still applying the property log a raised to m will be written as m log a. Here log e, here there is no base mentioned, means it is to the base e, and we know that log e to the base e is 1. So my equation will become log y is equals to log a plus bx. If you observe, if we substitute log y as capital Y, log a as capital A, b as capital B and small x as capital X, we will reduce it into a straight line. Capital Y is equals to capital A plus bx, which is a straight line. So to start, we have to write for the normal equations for this straight line. It will become summation y. This becomes na plus b into summation x. Second equation will be written by just multiplying capital X on both sides. We are multiplying capital X on both sides because x here equation is in capitals now. So we have to multiply capital X on both sides. So capital XY is equals to a into, now na will become a into summation x plus b into summation x square. As per the requirement, we are required with summation y, summation x, summation xy and summation x square. So to prepare for the table, you will be given small x and small y. We need to prepare for capital X value, capital Y, then x square, capital X square and then capital XY. So to start, we know that capital X is equals to small x. So prepare for this column. Capital Y is equals to log y. To prepare for this column, we have to take capital Y is equals to ln of small y on the calculator. Taking the square of this column will get x square. Multiplying x into y will get xy. Taking the summation, we need summation capital X. So don't take summation of this small x. We have to take summation of capital X. Substituting in this normal equations, we'll get the equations in capital and capital B. Solving it on the calculator, we get capital A and capital B. But by a given equation is in terms of small a and small b. So we need to find what is small a and small b. We know that capital A is log of small a. When log goes this side, small a will become equals to e raised to capital A and small b is equals to capital B. Substituting, we'll get small a and small b. Substituting in the curve y is equals to e raised to bx, we will get a curve of best fit. Similarly, we can go with other two exponential curves. Suppose given y is equals to a into x raised to b. Taking log on both sides, log y is equals to log a into x raised to b. Log a into b property, log a plus log b. Again log a raised to m property. Taking the substitution, log y as capital Y, log a as capital A, small b as capital B and log x as capital X, which turn out as equation of the straight line. Writing for the normal equation, preparing for the table, substituting, we will get capital A and capital B value. So we have to get small a and small b. Once we substitute in this curve, we will get the curve of best fit. Similarly for y is equals to a into b raised to x. The problems for the curve fitting will be seen in the next video. Thank you. If any queries, let me know.